Hey, what is up guys? Here back again with a new video. Before beginning, I would like to tell you that we are very close to 300 subscribers guys, so will you please make me a favor and subscribe to my channel right now? And hit the like if this video helped you in any kind of way. This video is dedicated to Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. What we need to do is we need to download this Adobe Premiere Pro DMG file from the link available in the description of the video. And once you do that, all you need to do is just open the DMG file as always. And once you open this, click on extra, open this in the show package contents right here, as you can see. And well, now what you need to do is just click on this contents folder, then go to Mac OS, double click on Mac OS, okay, and then open this installation. All right, click on open, okay, and now this will start the terminal. It will ask a password which we need to enter. Again, this is the local Mac password, not your Apple ID password, so be sure while you enter this. Now once you enter the password, click on OK, and once you click on OK, it's going to start installing the Premiere Pro. Okay, as you can see, it has started installing the Premiere Pro. As you can see, the Premiere Pro has been installing and it's almost installed. The 100% has been completed now. Now it is verifying the Adobe Premiere Pro, and once that is done, it is trying to open it, but you know what, it's not going to open completely because it is a trial version and my trial period has been completed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this terminal right now. Okay, it is trying to open. Let's just not get distracted with this. Okay, so close this macOS folder also, and let's just concentrate on the Adobe Z 2019. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna double click on this. Okay, and as you can see, the same error from my previous video is back again. Okay, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to Apple, click on System Preferences, and click on cancel to just not get distracted by this again. Okay, now click on security and privacy right here. Alright, so once you get in there, now as you can see, Apple doesn't allow apps from third party to be installed without verifying the developer. So we can push it by clicking on this open anyway button right here. Click on open, and once you do that, as you can see, we've got the TNT open right here. Now click on patch or drag right here. Okay, click on OK. Now it will ask us with a password. Okay, and there you go. Okay, it asked me with a password. Now this is also not your Apple ID password, just your local password. As you can see, this is telling me the trial period has been ended for the Adobe Premiere Pro, but this will end surely very fast. Okay, as you can see, the patch has been completed. Now what we could do is we could open the Premiere Pro 2019 right now. Now it is opening for the first time. Okay, as you can see, it has been opened. It was quick this time, because previous time which when I tried to open it, it was kind of like slow. So let's click on this, and as you can see, the Premiere Pro has been opened. Now I have already tested it with the test on Mac first, so it is good to go now and it is ready for us to work with. And that's it for this video. If you want more Adobe products like this one, so please subscribe to my channel right now. Hit the like button if you have successfully completed the procedure. Don't forget to like the video, okay, and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and share with your friends if they want the same thing.